How to get transfer pin from US Cellular. Open the US Cellular app. If you have it installed on your mobile device, look for options related to account management or transfer request and transfer the pin. If you cannot find the option online, call US Cellular customer service at 188 944 9400. You can also visit a local US cellular store for assistance. Inform the representative that you need a transfer pin for porting your number to another carrier. Be prepared to verify your account information for security purpose. The customer service representative will guide you through the process and provide you with necessary transfer pin. Thanks for watching.